Your grow kit includes a fruiting bag, your grow kit instructional manual, a spray bottle, an alcohol pad, and a safety cutter. Read the instruction manual thoroughly for the best results. Punch out the perforated panel on the front of the box. Sanitize the safety cutter and the fruiting bag with the alcohol pad provided in your kit. Using the safety cutter provided in the kit, carefully cut across into the bag, ensuring it spans the full length and width of the box window. Make sure that the cut is complete. This is where the mushrooms will grow. Take the fruiting bag out of the box and submerge the bag in cold tap water for 12 hours. After 12 hours, remove the fruiting bag, drain off excess water, and place it back in the box. Use the spray mister included in your kit to mist non-chlorinated water directly onto the fruiting bag 2 to 3 times daily. Under favorable conditions, mushrooms will begin to form in 7 to 14 days. You can harvest your mushrooms 1 to 2 days after they start to form.